Hello, Algebros. Now we are going to use Cramer's rule to solve each of these systems. Right, so hopefully you have it written down from our previous video. But I'm going to go ahead and set it up fully on this first one, and then I'm going to show you some shortcuts that you can use on the next one. So on this first one, I'm going to set it up fully. So to find out what our x value is going to be, our denominator, remember, is going to be the determinant of the coefficients. So -3, -3, 2, -2. And our numerator is going to be the determinant of the y values and the solutions to the equation. So 9, -6, -3, -2. So we take 9 times -2, which would be -18, minus -3 times -6, which would be +18, over -3 times -2 would be +6, minus -3 times 2, which would be -6. -18 minus 18 would be -36, over 6 minus -6, which would be a +12. -36 divided by 12 would be -3. All right, now let's look at y. So again, the denominator is going to be the determinant of the coefficients. And the numerator is going to be the determinant of the x coefficient and then the solution to the equations. Alright, so -3 times -6 would be +18, minus 2 times 9, which would be 18. -3 times -2 would be +6, minus -3 times 2, which would be -6. 18 minus 18 is 0. 6 minus a -6 would be +12, and 0 divided by 12 is 0. Solutions to systems are always ordered pairs because we're looking to find out where these lines cross, where they meet, what the solution to both equations is. So our solution is -3, 0, because our x value is -3, our y value is 0. Ordered pairs, just a reminder, are always written x and then y. So that is the solution. Your solution should be written as ordered pairs. All right, let's take a look at number 2. So I'm going to take out some steps. Again, notice that the denominator is exactly the same on both. So if we kind of take out that middleman and just do it off to the side, we don't have to rewrite so much. So if I find the determinant of my coefficients, I have -1, 2, -4, 2. So if I find the determinant of that, -1 times 2 would be -2 minus -4 times 2, which would be -8. -2 minus a -8 would really be a big plus, so that'd be +6. All right. So now I'm going to take the determinant of the y coefficients and then our constant. So -2, +2, 16, +2, over 6. -2 times 2 would be -4, minus 16 times 2, which would be 32, over 6. -4 minus 32 would be -36, over 6, which would be -6. And to find the y value of our solution, we're going to take the coefficient of x and then the constants and divide by 6 again. -1, -2, -4, 16. -1 times 16 is -16, minus -4 times -2, which is 8, over 6. -16 minus 8 negative 24 over 6, which would be negative 4. And we have our x value, we have our y value. We can write our solution as an ordered pair. Right, if you need to see more examples, you can click on the next video. If you're good to go, you can go ahead and get started on your assignment. Happy mathing!